Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Moko. Since the last time that I have created a great soft and chewy cookie recipe, I decided to make another flavor. And I also changed the recipe a little bit to create different texture and taste. So please continue to watch it. Last recipe I made is the matcha flavor. Oh, I love it so much and I'll definitely make it again. I put the recipe link in the description, or you can click here directly. Honestly, I'm really into this vegan recipe because it's healthier and everyone can enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and I really hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you in the next recipe video. Bye!